I'm James Zanewicz of Connect here at the BLPN during JPM Healthcare Week. And it is my pleasure to be sitting down with Marsha Hartman of Exodigm. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Well, I know it's your first bullpen interview, but we have really easy questions for you. The first one is just, because the bullpen is all about building legendary professional networks, we're about helping each other. So our community knowing more about each other is helpful in figuring out how to connect you. Tell us about your history, your background, what got you to this point today?
Yeah, sure. So trained as an epidemiologist, studying incidence and prevalence of disease, then went into immunology, which took me into cell analysis. And so I'm really passionate about understanding the cell at its very basic level, using tools like flow cytometry to sort cells. So I'm really in that cell therapy space. Yeah, and have just enjoyed my career as it's grown over time, from being in Fortune 500 companies to mid-stage companies, taking a company public, and now in the startup phase.
Which, you know, everything's fun in different ways. And as we were discussing just before this, you used to bike by here, and now you're inside the Golden Gate Yacht Club, which is kind of incredible.
Yes.
It's the best JPM venue ever. And so it's exciting to be here, but also it's exciting for you to wake up every day working on your company. What is a project that you're working on there that you're really passionate about right now, or what excites you when you get up every day?
Yeah, so Exodigm Biosciences is actually going really where no other technology has gone before. We are able to anchor to the surface of the cell, and using fluorescence, measure what's happening between the cell membrane and something called the actin cortex. So we know in science a lot about the genotype. We know a lot about the surface markers, but we don't know much about that messaging that's happening right at the cell membrane. But most targetable for therapeutics, most drug targets are right in that signaling pathway. And so we want to make it standard of care, standard of practice, to be able to really look at those drug targets in a meaningful way and make decisions.
Kind of deciphering that and
Totally.
making it simpler, so you're almost like a platform for lots of other technologies as well.
Exactly, a platform. And we think too, even with like AI in the future, really having that information will make predictive biology that much more accurate.
Very nice. And so, as you know, the bullpen's all about helping each other, but when you agree to come on here and subject yourself to me, you get to make an ask. So how can the bullpen community help you? What can they do to help your company move forward? Are you in a raise round? Are you looking for partnerships? Are you looking to hire people? It could be all those things. What's good for you right now?
Yeah, sure. So for us right now, we're definitely moving into a raise. We're coming off of some non-dilutive funding, ready to go take our sensors to the next level. So raising is actually, but then also those partnerships. So we've been able, through the bullpen, to really make meaningful connections through relationships, right? It's about helping each other. It's if Exodigm succeeds by itself, we aren't successful. But if we exceed alongside other people and we make drugs more meaningful to the patient, more predictive, then we're going to win. If we give clinicians tools on how to use those drugs better, we win. And so we really just want to be a constructive part of bullpen at the same time that we ask, if you hear this interview and you say, hey, there's something that we have in common, then please connect. When you reach out to me on LinkedIn, I would say bike, and
nice.
I'll know you heard.
Code word.
Yeah,
that's perfect. Like a little bike at the Golden Gate Yacht Club. Now, you said you're entering a raise and a round potentially. What kind of round is it? What level? And what are you looking for that? Just so our folks know the kind of investors to refer to you.
Yeah, sure. So it would be our first, and we're looking for about $4 to $6 million.
Got it. So Series A?
No,
or
actually
pre-seed?
just pre-seed.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. All right. So pre-seed, looking to have an impact on kind of the cell biology, immunology, things like that. Very excited to see where your company goes in the future.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks so much for this time. I appreciate it.
Thanks for joining us here in the BLPN, and looking forward to seeing you as we close out JPM Healthcare Week.
Yep. Take care.